Hello everyone, so today is Shop My Stash week 3. I'm going to empty out my everyday makeup drawer and put it all away and pick out some new products for my third week. I've decided, yes, I'm going to keep this every 2 weeks. I know I've changed my mind so freaking much, but I'm sticking to this every 2 weeks. It'll be every 2 weeks. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. So if you don't know what Shop My Stash is, it's where I go through my makeup collection and pick out products that are old, that are new, that I haven't touched in a while, whatever it may be. I'm gonna throw it in here, use it non-stop for 2 weeks. Those are gonna be the only products that I use for 2 weeks, and test them out, see how I like them, see if I still love them, see if they're a new holy grail, whatever the case may be. I will do videos with these products, tutorials, reviews. So if you see a product that I choose and you want a specific video on it, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to get a video out on it. So yeah, that is what I'm doing today. So if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring that notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. If you guys want to see what products I picked for Shop My Stash week 3, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly empty out my everyday makeup drawer, just right there, and put it away so I can put new stuff in there. Okay, so again, I'm going to start out with the face, and first comes primer. So I'm going to go for things that I want to try out and that I also want to keep using. The Smashbox Primerizer, I am going to throw that back in for my Shop My Stash just so that I can use it up. I know I really like it, so I know I will use this a lot. And then one I want to use that I haven't used yet, this is the YSL Touche Éclat, I think it's how you say it, primer. This is just one that you would get at Sephora for like 100 points, but I really want to try it. I've heard a lot of people raving about it, so I want to give it a go. As for foundation, I am going to go back in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. I feel like I just had too many foundations that I was trying to try out for that second week, so maybe used it once, maybe twice, not enough to really know how I like it or not, so I am going to throw that back in there. And then I'm also going to throw in there the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I have used this a couple times. I think I like it, but I'm not totally sure. So I'm just going to do this one and the Flower Beauty one. That way I don't have so many foundations that I can't keep track of what I'm trying to use and what I like and what I don't like. So I'm only going to use 2. Okay, and then as far as powder goes, one that I haven't used in a while, this is the Glossier Wowder. I do want to give this another shot, so I am going to put that in there. And that's the only powder that I'm going to do just so that I don't have too many. A bronzer that I'm going to get out. This is the Balm Take Home the Bronze Bronzer. This one is in the shade Oliver. I used to love this. I mean, not used to. It hasn't been a super long time, but I probably haven't grabbed this in a couple of months, I would say. And I did really used to love it, so I want to continue to use that. One thing I did want to grab, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. This one's in the shade Perla. I've only used this a couple times and it's been a while since I've grabbed it, and I do want to see if I can mix it in with some of my foundations and just get like a really awesome glowy face. So I'm gonna throw that in there. I am going to grab this. This is the Natasha Denona, but this one is the All Over Glow. Way less crazy than Super Glow. This is just supposed to be just a very like glow from within, subtle highlight. So I'm going to also throw that one in there. I think I'm also going to throw this in there. This is the CoverGirl Peach Punch Highlighter Palette. It's got a highlight, a blush, and a bronze. So I think it's a good, you know, thing I can use for lots of different things. Gives me a good variety of stuff. To give me a couple more options for blush, I haven't used this in the longest time. This is the Benefit Cheek Parade palette. It's got Hula, Hula Light, Dandelion, California, and Rocketeer. I seriously haven't used this in such a long time, so I want to use it. and I want to get my money's worth out of it because I spent some money on it. So I'm going to throw that in there. And then a couple things for the eyes. I'm going to take these ColourPop Kathleen Lights Zodiac pigments. I got the Scorpion and the Maiden, just a white and then a pretty reddy burgundy kind of shade. I really wanted to try these out. I did get the NYX mixing medium so that I could use them, and I want to do a video with them. So I'm definitely going to go throw these ones in there. As for an eyeshadow palette, I don't even know where to begin. I think what I may do, because I have yet to use this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow. We got this in the last Boxy Luxe, I think it was, and I still haven't used it. It's been a while. This is what the palette looks like. Super, super pretty. So I do think I am going to use that as my eyeshadow palette. I don't think I want to put anything else in there for eyeshadow because I will just be all over the place and not use one or the other. So I think I want to stick to that one. Another thing I need to do is sort out my glosses. These are seriously all glosses. It's ridiculous. But one that I did just recently pick up, if I can find it in here. This is the Dose of Colors Mickey Mouse collection. This one's in the shade Rockin' It. I just picked this one up from Ulta because it was on sale for like $8, so I snagged it on up. I am gonna throw that in there. And another couple glosses I'm going to throw in there. This one's from Morphe. It is in the shade Boho. And then this one is from ColourPop. This is the Aquarius gloss, or all of my writing rubbed off because I used to use it like every single day and I haven't used it in a while, so I'm gonna throw that one in there too. I'm gonna just do these two and I'm gonna force myself to use them. I'm gonna wear a red lip in a video. Just you wait. I'm also gonna throw this Buxom lip liner in. This one is in the shade Hush Hush. Super pretty color, so I'm gonna throw that in there. One thing that I'm gonna grab from up here, this is the Rimmel London Kate collection. This is in shade 45, a super pretty nude. I really, really like it. So I am going to throw that in there as my lipstick. I am going to take the Brow Gal Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. I am going to put that one in there. We did recently get this in an Allure box, but we have previously gotten one in a BOXYCHARM, and I did really, really like it. My other one ran out, so I do want to use this again. I really, really liked the other one, so I am going to throw that in my little brow routine. And then I'm also going to take these liners from ColourPop. This one's in Fast Lane, and it's actually like a really pretty green. I know it like you can't tell on camera, but it's green. And then you got a black one and a nude one. You got Swerve and Honeydude. I got these a couple weeks ago. I really want to continue play with them. I haven't used a green one yet, but I really, really want to, so I'm gonna throw those in there. I don't go through and pick mascaras or brow products just because the ones that I have are ones that I want to use up really quickly. Mascara doesn't last a whole lot of time, so I want to make sure that I use them up before they go bad. So these are the products that I chose for the third week. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this all in my drawers. So you can see in here, I already have the products that I know I'm going to use. These are my mascaras, eyebrow, eyeliners, all those products. I do already have my concealers in here because these are honestly the only two concealers that I use that I like. If any other concealers that you absolutely love, let me know. I've tried Shape Tape. I've tried the NARS Radiance Creamy Concealer. I've tried the ColourPop concealer. They're just none of those really like stuck out to me. So if you have one you really like, let me know. And then this is just like a balm from Tarte. And then I also keep some lipsticks up here that I absolutely love. Occasionally I will reach for these. I mostly just don't have another place to put them at the moment. And I don't want to forget about the ones that I really love. That's why I like to keep them where I can see them. So that's that. And then my skincare products, setting sprays, brush cleaners, things like that, all go right there. All right, there you have it. My third week of Shop My Stash products. there you go. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know again if there are any products that I picked out that you want to see specific videos on. Let me know in the comments down below so that I can get those going for you. And if you guys enjoy Shop My Stash videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.